Hey! Jungle walk still. They're staying back there because I'm approaching a monkey and they're afraid. There he is. He looks like a wise monkey. He has a big mustache. Hey. Do you want this durian pop? Do you want this? I don't know if monkeys like durian pops. Should I feed this to him? You want this durian pop? Would you like this durian pop? It's for you. Here. Yeah, it's for you. It's for you. Yeah, try it. It's okay, right? What do you think? He's tasting it. He's eating the durian. We're friends. It's good, right? You guys afraid? No, I already fed him.
I know, but
so he's excited. He's chilling.
In our way, Jack. Can you like move him a bit?
No, we should go the other way. Just to see what it's like. Because the other way is just Oh, sorry. Okay, enjoy. See you later. I hope you like your ice cream. I'm glad I bought that. Now he's enjoying it. He's on the bridge here. Peekaboo. See you, bro. Have a good one. Enjoy your ice cream.